Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Open just 3 weeks ago, on October the 10th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $8.26 at pre-market hours. And my main assumption was that because of the breakout below this crucial level of support that been holding for quite a while, we have to land lower, and the levels where we could land are these two green rectangles and the golden pocket range. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, we had the first touch of this level. Let me mark it a little bit longer for you, as you can see right here, and we potentially might have a trend continuation to the downside. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to have the most up-to-date call to actions, and if you want to know my personal trades, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what crucial levels does this asset have, what should we expect from its price action in near-term perspective, and I will show you why it is extremely risky stock to invest in the long-term perspective. So, and let's first of all begin with its most recent price action, and let me show you that the reason of this sell-off is their earnings report. To be honest, this company fundamentally is not the best performing company, let's put it this way, and you can see that they missed on expectations on earnings per share, but they beat it on revenue. And in general, if you take a look at its fundamentals, you can see that this company is consistently losing money. They are unprofitable. They have negative net income of roughly $29 million. On trailing 12 months, they lost about $305 million. And they are diluting existing shareholders. You can see this number. Grew from 705 million shares all the way up to 729.5 million shares for just 1 year. And definitely, if you take a look at its balance sheet, you will see that, well, technically they can cover all their liabilities with their assets, but the difference is not the biggest one. And that is why, guys, this company is not the best performing stock, and that is why if we take a look at its forecast from the analytic firms, you can see that among 5 analysts, all of them set the price targets even below the current price. So, and let me show you why this asset might still be quite interesting for retail investors. Let me show you that this asset is still in top 10 stocks according to appwisdom.io website, and this website tracks the Wall Street Bets community activity. on certain assets, and you can see that Opendoor Technologies gained 36 rows in this rating, and it was the result of its recent earnings report. On top of that, if you take a look right here on stocktwits.com website, you can see that it is in the top 10 right here as well, but on the 9th place in the watchers section. And yes, the reason is that they lost about 1/4 of its value within just 24 hours, and definitely it grabs the attention of the market and of the retail community. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, don't get me wrong, I know that this asset, this stock is not the best choice to invest in the long-term perspective, because if you zoom out to, let's say, weekly time frame, let me turn off all the tools, you can see that this asset is in consistent downtrend, and this movement to the upside might be, well, we have two options, and in a minute I will explain you both of them. And in general, we have to see a pure confirmation of its new uptrend that should be supported by the fundamentals. Unfortunately, we don't have none of these indicators. That is why you can only benefit out of its short-term movements. And let me show you what I'm talking about. First of all, guys, take a look right here. Let's switch to, let's say, daily time frame, and let me show you this recent movement in details. Let's turn off all the tools and let me show you like this. So we can clearly identify this movement as our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, and we are potentially moving towards the bottom of the fourth wave. Technically speaking, guys, we are nearing the range that might be crucial for the bottom of the fourth wave. We had first reaction out of 0.5, very technical level for the fourth wave, but for now we have a breakout below this level, and the next point of control will be the golden pocket range, and this is the level in between $4.86 and $5.16. And guys, in this case we have basically two counts. One of them is this one. We might have another leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave. The bottom of the fourth wave should be, let's pretend that it should be somewhere around golden pocket range, and this is a pure top of the third wave. Let's delete these internal waves and let's delete some unnecessary tools. So again, let's delete this bar as well. And if my assumption is correct, we still might have this chance to see this bounce, but definitely it will not be substantial, because we have a breakout below crucial level for the fourth wave retracement of 0.5, halfway of the length of the third wave, and definitely this might be a chance to catch a bounce, but don't get me wrong, it will not hold for a long period of time. Option number two is following, guys. From the major perspective, from a weekly time frame, this asset is in consistent downtrend, and let me switch again to, let's say, day or even 6 hours time frame. Right here in this wave I can count 5 waves and 3 waves as well, and we might have this as our A wave. Let me show you an alternative count. This might be an A wave, B wave and C wave, and we don't have any violations of Elliott wave theory rule, but with this type of ABC to the upside, we might have this as just a retracement. Let's zoom out to a weekly time frame. It is just a retracement. Let's delete this one from this very top, from the highest point to the lowest point. And does it hit its crucial level? If I pull a fib retracement tool, 9.7 is the level of resistance, first level of resistance of this ABC correction. And yes, we already hit this range, and we had not the biggest but sustained breakout above this level, and then we went lower again. This means, guys, I cannot rely on either of these forecasts, because we have to see more confirmation, and the confirmation will be breakout below this bottom. It is quite deep bottom, to be honest, or breakout above this previous swing high. And for now The only level that is very important for the stock is golden pocket range, because in the worst case scenario we have to see at least a bounce to the upside, but then we have to take a look at its smaller time frame in order to identify its trend. That is why, guys, do not invest. Please do not invest in this asset for a long-term perspective. Do not become a back holder of this stock. Just react on its previous price action and benefit out of its movements. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.